In this tutorial, we will show you how to access licensed ChemDraw products using a Signals ChemDraw license. We will assume that your IT administrator has already set up your user access within the Signals platform, and you have created your login credentials. When first logging into Signals, you will land on the main home screen, displaying tiles for all the applications you can access. Here you may see not just ChemDraw Desktop, but also cloud-native apps like ChemDraw Plus and ChemDraw Collections. For now, we will focus specifically on properly downloading, installing, and licensing the core ChemDraw Desktop software. Selecting the ChemDraw Desktop Suite tile brings up installation instructions. Step 1 prompts you to download the ChemDraw installer file. Once the installer is downloaded, you can complete the normal installation process on your device. Step 2 instructs you to connect the installed ChemDraw app to Signals for authentication and licensing. By selecting the Connect button shown, ChemDraw Desktop opens and asks you sign into your Signals account. Inputting your Signals username and password will validate the license. The instructions also guide you to connect ChemDraw Collections to Signals the same way in order to authenticate and enable access to its features. Additionally, in Step 4, Windows users can conveniently download all installers before following the license activation process on first launch. With the ChemDraw software installed and connected to your Signals credentials, you can easily return to the home page and launch the applications anytime. For any assistance, please look up www.support.revitysignals.com.